Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of cookware that promises not just to cook your food, but to elevate your entire culinary experience. We're talking about the Sertodo Copper Saute Pan with lid, a 3-quart, 10-inch diameter wonder. This isn't just another pan, it's a blend of tradition, artistry, and modern engineering, designed to be a workhorse in your kitchen and a beautiful heirloom for your family. Let's start with what makes this pan so special, its construction. Sertodo emphasizes that this is 100% pure copper. Now, copper has been revered in cookware for centuries, and for good reason. It's an exceptional conductor of heat, meaning it heats up incredibly quickly and evenly. This is crucial for sautéing, searing, and making delicate sauces, as it minimizes hot spots that can lead to burning or uneven cooking. The company also mentions the oligodynamic effect of copper, suggesting health and environmental benefits. While that's a fascinating aspect to explore separately, from a cooking perspective, the heat conductivity is where the magic truly happens. The pan boasts a tin lining, which is naturally non-stick and also food-safe. Over time and with use, tin linings develop a beautiful patina, adding to the character of the pan. Sertodo also highlights its patented handle system. This is a significant departure from traditional copper pans where handles can sometimes be less comfortable or functional. Their handles are described as heat-resistant, ergonomic, and lightweight, designed for better control and comfort. A particularly clever feature is that the handles are designed to double as a spoon and lid rest, keeping your countertops cleaner and your cooking process more streamlined. The craftsmanship of this pan is evident. It's hammer-polished, giving it a brilliant shine, a testament to the expert artisans who craft these pieces. This polishing isn't just for aesthetics, it contributes to the pan's durability and adds to its timeless elegance. Sertodo's philosophy, as expressed by founder Jonathan Beale, is about creating cookware that is meant to be used and cherished for generations. They've been in the business since 1997, and the fact that their initial customers are still using and buying their products speaks volumes about their commitment to quality and longevity. The versatility of this sauté pan is another major selling point. With its depth of 3 inches, it's perfect for a wide range of tasks. You can sear meats to perfection, simmer sauces until they reach the ideal consistency, sauté vegetables without overcrowding, or even cook smaller batches of soups and stews. The even heat distribution ensures that whatever you're cooking will be cooked beautifully. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons, because no product is perfect, and it's important to have a balanced view. On the pro side, the heat conductivity of copper is simply unparalleled. This means superior cooking control and results. The handcrafted quality and the beautiful hammer-polished finish make this pan a showstopper in the kitchen, adding a touch of luxury and sophistication. The tin lining offers a naturally non-stick surface and is a safe, traditional choice for cookware. The patented handle system is a thoughtful innovation, addressing common issues with pan handles, and the spoon/lid rest functionality is a practical bonus. Finally, the promise of durability and the potential for this pan to become an heirloom piece is a significant value proposition, especially when you consider the investment. However, there are also some cons to consider. Copper cookware, especially high-quality pieces like this, often comes with a premium price tag. This Sertodo pan is certainly an investment. Copper also requires a bit more care and attention than some other materials. It can react with acidic foods if not properly lined or maintained, and it needs to be polished periodically to retain its shine. While the tin lining is naturally non-stick, it's not as robust as modern synthetic non-stick coatings. Meaning you still need to use a bit of fat for optimal results and avoid overly aggressive scrubbing. Also, copper is not typically induction compatible unless it has a magnetic base, which isn't specified here, so if you have an induction cooktop, you'll need to verify compatibility. In conclusion, the Sertodo Copper Saute Pan with lid is a magnificent piece of cookware that bridges the gap between professional-grade performance and heirloom quality. Its pure copper construction offers exceptional heat control, the tin lining is a classic and safe choice, and the innovative handle design adds comfort and practicality. While it represents a significant investment and requires a certain level of care, for the home cook who values both performance and beauty, and who appreciates cookware that is built to last a lifetime and beyond, this Sertodo pan is an absolutely stellar choice. It's more than just a tool, it's a statement of culinary passion. Link in the description.